Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. It's going to be swearing, smoking, and drinking. If you don't like those things, well, you have been warned. Look, run. Because here I come. In 3, 2, 1, bang! Look. Bang! Gotcha. Look. Everybody, welcome. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang, bang, bang. Yes. All right. We have a great show for you today, guys. Yes, as usual, you know. What can I say? As usual. We got another great one. Just keep lining them up, stringing them up to the good ones. All right, guys. Look. TRON. TRON launches Sun Network Testnet. Oh, look at you, TRON lovers. Look. Remember last year, October, November, it was like TRON news every day, right? Like it was like Justin Sun kept coming out with some new announcement or some new shit every day. So it's been a while. So here we go. TRON launches Sun Network Testnet. Yes. All right, and here's the big news of the day. The Nasdaq are going to offer a new crypto pricing product for institutional investors. And so we're going to read about that. And then we're going to read about Fidelity. So it's not really about Fidelity. It's about this company. But Fidelity is funding them. You know, they're giving them the money to do it. Fidelity and this other company. So, you know, whatever Fidelity does, I want to know all about it. And so we're going to talk about that. All right? All right. So look. Let's begin how we begin, brothers. With a little bang. Look. Yes. Then we head over and we do a little bang. Yes. And then we do a little refresh. Bang. All right. What are we dealing with here? Yes. Just close to 8, huh? Just so close. Oh, my gosh. All right. So we're at 7991 tonight on the Bitcoin brothers and sisters. Yes, girls. I know. I'm going to try to include you a little more. So we're on the 7991. So, look. Let's look at the top 10 of the... Oh, and yesterday we were at 7931. So we literally went up $60. All right. Aren't we rich? Let's buy the new house. Grab those Lambos, brothers. All right. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers, sisters. That's how it goes. Usual suspects of the day, brothers and sisters. Look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, Tether, and Stellar. Bang, look. Yes. What do we got? Yes. Favorite song of the year. Single digits up, single digits down. Yeesh, most of these aren't even digits. They're like 0 point something, 0 point something. Oh, look at Litecoin murdering it. I was talking to one guy today. He was like, why the fuck is everyone freaking out about Litecoin? You know, there's things that went up way more in percentage than Litecoin. Yeah, but are they, you know, they're not in the top 4, though. And are they real projects or are they just pump and dumps, you know? That's a different Litecoin here in America. That's a commodity, son. It ain't going nowhere. We're going to have Litecoin futures, Litecoin ETFs, Litecoin 401ks, Litecoin college savings funds. We're going to have it all here. So if you haven't already, well, you better get yourself on that Litecoin gravy train, boy. Like I said, buy the large caps, brothers. Look. Once in a lifetime chance. This is a once in a lifetime chance. Right? Like, I just don't say that shit. I remember I haven't said this for a long time. Yeah, clack. So for some new people here who aren't familiar with the talk around here. Clack. This is a once in a lifetime chance. First of all, if you're new around here, my name's Shamari. Go to forexfactory.com. Type in my name, SHOMARI. Up at the top in the search, bang, my profile will show up. You can look at my profile on that and type, and then hit this button called Images in the middle on the left, and you can see some of my old trades. I used to post them on this place called Forex Factory. I'm a professional Forex trader. I've been trading professionally for 19 years. My money makes me money. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. These are the YouTubers you're listening to. Yeah, they run home to make a little YouTube money because they need a side hustle. I don't need a side hustle. I'm a Forex trader. So go check that out. And so you know who you're talking to. You're actually talking to a real trader. That's how I make my money. That's how everything's bought. You know what I mean? But now, once in a lifetime chance. This is a once in a lifetime chance. What do you mean, dog? Well, what I mean is this. When in the history of man has the regular man had the assets that the rich man wanted, that the rich man just couldn't take from him? Remember that. Sure. You might have had a bunch of sheep or anything, but if that rich guy with his crew of dudes with guns or swords, even in the old days, wanted them, yeah, they'll just come maraud you and take your stuff, right? Yeah. It's a once in a lifetime chance. You have the assets, buying in your cryptocurrency warehouse that wealthy people want, that institutional investors want, high net worth individuals want. Shit. When Fidelity and the rest of them are done with them, the soccer mom and soccer dad are going to want it. Oh, they're going to want it tough, hard, rough. Oh, they're going to want it. Yes. And so look, right? Usually in life, right? The insiders have the Facebook, right? The insiders have the Microsoft shares. Yeah, then they IPO it to us. That's called an initial public offering. I don't know, just if you don't know much about, I know you guys are, so an IPO, then we get it, right? Like the other day, Uber. Yeah, those insiders, they got Uber at like 4 cents, 2 cents. Yeah, and then they IPO'd it to the world. Yeah, well, this time, the script has flipped. The script has flipped. This time, it's the regular guy, you. You have the assets that these millionaires and billionaires want. And they want to control it all. And so, there's a tsunami of money coming to get it, to invest in it. You understand? And that's why this is a once in a lifetime chance. Look. It's like a war, like a war. Let me think of an example. It's like, look, man. So let me stop with that wars talk. But that's why every paycheck you got to put in money. You got to put in money because your financial freedom is on the way. Yes, your financial freedom is on the way. I mean, I'm not a crypto guy. I don't own a coin or anything. I'm not shilling you. I'm telling you, I'm a 19-year investor. I slaughter these fools every day. Oh yeah, and the Forex Factory thing. I know you're gonna look there and there's old trades, right? They're from like 2012, 2014, 2010. Yeah, that shows you how long I've been trading, man. You know what I mean? So don't worry about that. If I showed you one from 2018, that's when you should be worried. You just started this. Nah, dog. I've been slaying institutions for many, many years. But look, right? Once in a lifetime chance. And so that's why you got to put in every paycheck, every a little bit every time, so you get financial freedom. Look, here in America, we say one thing: freedom isn't free. Freedom isn't free. And if you want financial freedom, well, you got to pay up front. You got to pay up front. What do you mean, dog? I mean, you got to build a cryptocurrency warehouse, dog. Yeah, you got to pay up front for that freedom. You got to buy your freedom here in America. That's how it works, buddy. That's how it works. You got to pay for freedom in America. You know what I mean? And so, build that cryptocurrency warehouse big. Look, fat. Look, nice. Look, bang. With a revenue-generating product. Because when these guys get here, and this is the other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Fuck. I forgot about this. Shit. All right. Well, let me just say this. I'll just say it now, and then we'll get to the regular show. So, and you have to also have to, when you think of buying what you're going to invest in, right? You have to think of, this. I've been thinking about this all weekend, and I've been meaning to say it to you guys. I forgot yesterday, but look, So, for instance, last week, Facebook coin came out, right? So, yeah. Well. All right, well, you can fuck the remittance thing, right? Stellar, Ripple. Yeah, you're not going to be doing that anymore. Do you see what I'm saying? So when you have to invest in, not have to, but when you invest in things, think of things that can't be crushed, by some mega corporation coming out. Because remember this, it costs nothing for some billion-dollar mega corporation to just get their IT tech nerds to whip up a blockchain. You know what I mean? Yeah, that blockchain might be the dream of the people at so-and-so blockchain. Yeah, well, for the big major corporation, yeah, it's nothing. I already got my tech nerds. Hey, nerds, build me a blockchain. And they can just do that, right? And that's like the Facebook thing. Like, if you want to, like, Stellar wanted to do remittance. XRP wanted to do remittance. Fuck XRP and Stellar. Fucking Western Union and MoneyGram now got to be afraid. Facebook might crush them. I mean, obviously there'll be room in the market, but market share is going to be reduced drastically. And so invest like that. Like also think of, am I in something that, you know, no one's really going to crush me with, you know, some major corporation can't just crush me. It was like the dude the other day that got angry at me about the Theta and Samsung thing. He was like, yeah, Shamori, I told you guys this. Yeah, Shamori, but the big corporations, they always come and make the money and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's what's going to happen, buddy. Okay? Fuck this revolution bullshit talk, man. Just invest in shit that works and no one can come and crush it. All right. Anyway, all right. So that was that. All right. So, guys, look. Fuck, we're singing our favorite song. My bad. Yes, let me get the tune going. Single digits up, single digits down. Yeesh. Yeah, that Facebook coin, right? Everyone's like, oh, who's that Facebook coin going to crush? Oh, who's it a threat to? Is it a threat to Ripple? Is it a threat to Bitcoin? Is it a threat to this and that? Right? And that's what you got to think of. That's just Facebook coin, but other things can come up with coins, right? And so, you know, just kind of think of that for the future. Look, single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today, brothers. Anything you see in here you like, you will get it because it's on sale. Boom. What do we got? Top 10 loser of the day. Aurora, Nebulous, Monocoin, Maximind Coin, Zilliqa, Chainlink, VeChain, Digibyte, Nulls, and Hollow. Let's see who made money today, brothers. Boom. All right, decent earnings. Igricia, Zcoin, top 10 winners of the day. Igricia, Zcoin, GX Chain, Wax, Litecoin, Qcoin Shares, Cardano, Loom Network, Ardor, and Metaverse ETP. Yes. Oh, I heard about that. Remember that the other day there was that Bitcoin 2 thing? Yeah, people are just saying it's like just some huge pump and dump thing. Duh. Yeah, I read about it actually earlier today. All right, who gives a fuck about that anyway? Look, total market cap of the day, brothers. What we got? 256.2. All right. And yesterday we were at 253.2. So, yes, very modest gains. Very modest gains indeed. And we are at 61.5 on the total volume. And yesterday we were at 62.2. So, again, modest, very modest uptick on the volume. So, to be expected. Normal market moves. All right, let's go to TRON. Look, bang. TRON launches Sun Network Testnet. All right. Sounds like some good stuff. Let's check it out. All right, what do we got here? Oops. Bang. So, TRON has announced the launch of the Sun Network Testnet in their official blog. The network incorporates a number of smaller projects aimed at improving the scalability and energy efficiency of the TRON mainnet and its ecosystem. All right, so these are kind of, it's like a helper thing. It's trying to help the blockchain and with energy and efficiency and scalability. All right. So the network is a side chain of TRON's mainnet that will improve the scaling potential of the whole TRON ecosystem, thus making it possible for dApps to use TRON in new ways. All right. The network consists of smaller projects, the most important of which is dApp Chain. All right. So dApp Chain allows for higher energy efficiency as well as better security and more efficient use of processing power for the on-chain operations of dApps, all while providing theoretically unlimited scaling capacity. Oh, unlimited? Oh, you're trying to get like IOTA now, are you? Trying to get unlimited scalability, are you? Okay. Something that was needed due to the growing transaction count. Other projects of the Sun Network include additional scaling solutions and cross-chain communications. And if you guys know, I always put the links to these videos in the description of this video that I'm about to upload. So here it says here, most technical details of Sun Network can be found here. So if you just press the thing in the link in the details of this video, bang, you can come here and you can get all the techie stuff you want. So there's a whole bunch of busy months ahead. Bang, 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 making it active, making it great, making it wonderful. It's going to be the greatest thing since sliced bread. Again, if you want to read all that, bang, have at it. So look, we're just here about the Sun Network thing. So TRON boasting impressive stats. So TRON founder Justin Sun used the launch of Sun Network Testnet as an opportunity to report stellar performance statistics of TRON Network. According to him, the network now has more than 3 million accounts, which made more than 410 million transactions. Sun also pointed out that since the launch of the TRON virtual machine in October 2018, more than 500 DApps launched. Yes, you know what I think. You know what I'm about, guys. I'm all about the platform tokens. That's what I think the battle of the blockchain is going to be. Yes, TRON, EOS, NEO, Ethereum, Stellar, fuck, all of them. You know the ones. You know who they are. You know the usual suspects. So he further commented that moving on, the energy-saving, highly secure and efficient Sun Network will contribute to a more active ecosystem of TRON. Bang! Community developers will benefit from the network as well. Bang, bang, bang. Yes, TRON lovers. Look, Sun Network. So you go, TRON lovers. Got some Sun Network action. Testnet up and running. Bang, bang. It's going to give scalability. Boom, boom. It's going to give, what else? What else did they say? What was that? What was that? Scalability and just a bunch of other good stuff. All manner of good stuff. So bang. Oh, transaction speeds. Oh, and cross-chain communications. There you go. Boom. TRON lovers. There you go. Bang. All right. Bang. Let's go here. Yes. Now we get into the yes. Bang. Yes. I see you. Yes, here comes the Nasdaq. So, it's not really... So, let me read the title first. Nasdaq unveils new cryptocurrency pricing product for world's top hedge funds, asset managers, and investment banks. So, basically, Nasdaq is going to help with price discovery. We all know what price discovery is here. If you don't know what price discovery is, go to investopedia.com and search for price discovery. So, that's what this sounds like, and it sounds like they're investing in this other company that's going to do the price discovery, or they're partnered with. Let's read on and let's see. But you see, that's for the it's all right. Let me calm down. I'm so happy. It's for hedge funds, asset managers, and investment banks. Bang, institutional investors, and they're going to be able to do quantitative analysis and all sorts of stuff. So it's not price discovery as in, yeah, what's the price of a Bitcoin? It's deeper. It's more robust. You know, it's institutional grade, you know. It's too hard to explain right now, but it's like that, all right? So, but the fact that they're doing it shows that shit's getting real. Shit's getting real. Nasdaq has partnered with CryptoCompare to offer institutions access to market-leading cryptocurrency data. The Nasdaq CryptoCompare aggregate crypto reference prices allows institutional investors to monitor the most liquid digital assets in the cryptocurrency markets by offering minute-by-minute pricing data. The new product is based on CryptoCompare's data sets, which include cryptocurrency trade, order book, historical, social, and blockchain data. So, like, you know, we just look at the price, right? And then, you know, you and I, like, we just usually look at a, you know, candlestick chart or some shit, right? Yeah, they're going to show historical order book, historical all this and that. And big institutional investors, they have, like, algorithms and stuff that mine data for them and tell them what they want to know about the historic moves of an asset. Do you understand? And that's what this will give them, right? Like, they just don't look at fucking candlestick charts. Like, they look at way more deeper stuff, you know? Yeah, that's all I can say about that. As the crypto markets mature, big investors, and also they use it for their algorithms. You know, they have a lot of bots. Well, they call them bots in this crypto world, but, you know, they have these algorithms and that do the trading for them. And, you know, so that's the kind of data they would pump into that system to do that for them. What do they call that? High frequency traders, right? A lot of them in Connecticut and stuff like that. They do the stock market a lot. Anyways, as the crypto markets mature, big investors are looking exactly. Can we get some maturity? Let's go. As the crypto markets mature, big investors are looking for quality data backed by quantitative research. Exactly. So they can do research and shit, right? To underscore trading decisions. In an industry that has been plagued by reports of fake volumes, wash trading, and other market manipulations, Crypto Compare promises to enhance institutional capabilities in the crypto markets. That's institutional grade. According to a press release shared with, we don't need that though. I mean, for you and I, who gives a shit about all that? We're just waiting for a tsunami. But if you're big time like this, that's the kind of really super in-depth stuff you need for your trading desk, for your traders to know about. According to a press release shared with the Daily Hodl, Nasdaq's Quandl platform, a leading source for financial, economic, and alternative data sets, will provide the new cryptocurrency pricing product for its customers, for its customer base of over 400,000 analysts worldwide. Exactly. Who are they? Who are going to be the customers? And what was I telling you? Bang! 400,000 what? Analysts. Analysts. That's what I've been telling you about here for a long time, brothers. When these guys get here, they're not going to give a fuck who's got an army. They're not going to give a fuck about who's tweeting this and that. They don't give a fuck. They have analysts. 400,000 army strong, and that's this one company, okay? And when they get here, that's why I tell you, yuck, VeChain and IO is going to make you rich. Look, just my opinion, because the analysts, they're looking at every single company here. Every single fucking one of them. What are their earning potentials? What are they earning now? Shit like that. And they're not going to listen to any, they don't care about, is this consensus model truly decentralized? Is this blah, 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 blah. They're not going to care about any of that. They're just going to be like, look, sir, this is making money. And the hedge fund manager is going to be like, this is making money? Oh, VeChain? Oh, all those partners? All those clients they've onboarded? Bang. And he's just going to instruct his trading desk, get me into as much VeChain as possible. That's how it's going to go down. Look, so, including top hedge funds, asset managers, and investment banks. The smart money, baby. Look. So, says Charles Hayton, CEO of Crypto Compare, reliable data is the bedrock of transparent, liquid markets. And by bringing our high-quality, granular data set. See, granular, they want to get into the details of what assets have done, Yeah, man, they got tech nerds doing algorithms and stuff digging around for this, quantitative analysis. Google, go to Investopedia, and search quantitative analysis and shit. Yeah, that's what they do. Yeah, they have analysts, armies of them. People. They're not anyways. Via the Quantum platform, we will give traders and investors a competitive edge. Exactly. How do you think they win? You got to know what they're doing. And you can try to do as much as they're doing, and then you can win. Have a fair shot at the fight. Crypto Compare has also recently partnered with leading cryptocurrency exchange and derivatives trading platform BitMEX to provide institutional investors with cryptocurrency futures data. The real-time data set will be integrated into Refinitive's Econ terminal. This Econ terminal, it's basically a poor man's Bloomberg terminal. It's pretty robust, though. I did go look at it on their website. It's quite robust. Obviously not like Bloomberg, but look, next best thing. Bang! Look, here comes Fidelity. Now. Oh, yeah, so Fidelity is really just funding. All right, so Fidelity, Tenaya Capital, fund crypto security from Fireblocks. So Fidelity is just putting money into this thing. But the fact that Fidelity is putting money into it shows you, the seriousness of it. I mean, obviously, we already know they're pretty serious. We read about Fidelity the other day that their Texas office has crypto miners in the office. But you know what I mean? It's Fidelity, baby, and they hold trillions of dollars. So if they do something, well, we want to fucking hear about it. So, let me get some fuel. Yes, let me get some fuel while you look at that beautiful logo right there. That beautiful Fidelity investment logo. That's going to bring us our bread. All right. Let's go. Fireblocks, a platform for securing digital assets in transit, announced today $16 million in Series A funding from investments heavyweights including Cyberstarts, Tenaya Capital, and 8 Roads, the proprietary investment arm of Fidelity International. Oh, okay. 8 Roads is the investment arm of Fidelity Institutional. All right, International. The additional capital would enable the company to build out its infrastructure and court additional firms. Several influential customers like Galaxy Digital, that's our homeboy Novogratz. You know, we always talk about him. Crazy man Novogratz. I love that guy. Genesis Global Trading have already switched to Fireblocks to safeguard the transition of their digital assets across exchanges, over-the-counter brokerages, hot wallets, and cold storage. Oh, okay. So these guys will keep your money safe while it's moving around. I mean, these aren't the type of people like you and me. They're not moving around 1 Bitcoin. They're moving around, 1,000 Bitcoin at a time. You got to keep that shit safe. Look. Spurred to action. Following a series of high-profile hacks, founders Michael Shalov and Pavel Berengoltz aimed to eliminate the root cause of digital asset hacks and scams, i.e. private key theft, spoofing, and compromised credentials. Shalov told CoinDesk he and his colleague from Lacune Mobile Security, which was acquired by Checkpoint in April 2015, reprioritized their target clients from traditional financial infrastructure to crypto, following the clearly sophisticated hacking by true professionals, including nation states. Okay, so these guys really want to take on the hackers. They were going to just do regular financial institutions, and they're like, yo, we're going to specialize in this crypto stuff, because you guys are getting hacked the shit out of. So when they built, along security engineers from Symantec, Trusteer, IBM Security, and what they built, along with security engineers from Symantec, Trusteer, IBM Security, and leading cryptography advisor, Professor Ron Kennedy, was a cloud-based security platform that eliminates the hassle of copy and pasting addresses and enables the seamless flow of funds. All right. You remember last year I showed you guys that, remember the hackers that were hacking the clipboards of computers? So I showed you the way to clear your clipboard. Yeah, so I got to find that again. I'll show you guys again. While blockchain-based assets by themselves are cryptographically secure, moving digital assets is a nightmare. After interviewing over 100 institutional customers, including hedge funds, broker-dealers, exchanges, and banks, we concluded that the current process is slow and highly susceptible to cyber attacks and human errors, Shalov said in a statement. So, Fireblocks enables digital assets to be easily transitioned from any state of storage and primed for immediate settlement and transfer on the blockchain using chip-level security and MPC technology. All right. The platform also allows the use of several layers of security, including passwords, biometrics, and two-factor identification, which have become industry standard. Oh, man, these guys are getting deep. Yeah, exactly. So some hedge fund manager, right? What does it say here? It says biometrics. Yeah. If I'm a $50 billion hedge fund and any amount of assets are getting moved, yeah, motherfucker, I want you to have my fingerprint on something to confirm. Yeah. I got to make sure my traders aren't stealing from me even. Look, things get loose in the trading world. Or some hacker. I need biometrics. Yes. Look. Fireblocks. All right. That's for the big boys, man. Yeah, the big boys. That's how. They're not playing games. What sets Fireblocks apart, however, is the level of programmable control available to client accounts. The platform allows for tranches of authorized and access among those using the service to control the flow in terms of timing and amount of transitions. A tranche is you have something and then pieces of it go out. That's a tranche. The pieces are called tranches. This allows financial institutions that have different types of employees, from traders to operations managers, all with access to digital funds, to set different permissions for different scenarios. Exactly. If I have a trading desk, I'll allow the trading manager, his biometric thing will go on the thing for any big money moves. You know what I mean? So the traders can't rob me, among other people. There was a need to take assets, either native to the blockchain or tokenized assets or securities, and move, trade, sell them in a reasonably fast time frame, Shalov said. Keeping assets locked down in cold storage, like a traditional custodian, is antithetical in the way investment firms dealing in crypto operate. Exactly, that's true. That's true. It's one way to look at it. You know, that's one way to look at it. Fireblocks released its product last quarter and has already overseen hundreds of millions of... Oh, I didn't actually read all the way down to this part. Fireblocks released its product last quarter and has already overseen hundreds of millions of dollars worth of digital asset transfers, according to Shalov. The technology itself can be used for any financial use case of blockchain. Bang! Oh, speaking of blockchain, Visa. Yeah, man, Visa went on the Hyperledger blockchain today. Yeesh. Sorry, Ripple lovers. The company is integrated with 15 digital asset exchanges and offers support for over 180 cryptocurrencies, tokens, and stablecoins. Oh, yes. Sholov added that he'd like to build the infrastructure used. So that's great. That means he probably has 180 cryptocurrencies, tokens, stablecoins. He's got the best ones. Yes, that means the institutional guys will feel safe. Yes, he's going to make them feel safe with biometrics, boop, or an eyeball scan, boop, whatever it takes. Sholov added that he'd like to build the infrastructure used by small and larger merchants as they adopt digital assets as a payment method becomes widespread. Yes, so bang bang. Look at this, Fidelity, and you know it. If Fidelity's probably going to use these guys for their stuff in their company. I mean, if you invested in it, why wouldn't you? So that I just wanted to bring that up, and it doesn't have really anything to do with our money in particular, but it just has to do with the level of security that these boys are now about to get. Why isn't everybody, Coinbase already has custody. Why aren't the big banks already here, Shamar? You said all they needed was custody. Yeah. This kind of custody. That Coinbase Pro bullshit, lock. That's chump shit. That's for chumps. I mean, way bigger money than us, or you and I, but in the real business world, yeah, motherfucker, no one's putting $50 billion worth of crypto on Coinbase. But you will use this firm's security thing and start moving money around and start interacting with the whole ecosystem as a whole. Yes. All right. So I guess what I'm trying to say is one step closer, one step easier for the big money to get here and feel safe, secure, and sound. Bang! And do what? Bring us their money. All right, guys. Let's go to shout-outs. Look. Boom. What do we got? Got some notifications. Miniam, what's he saying? CB News, the website, fiatleak.com, enjoying the rise of the wave to come. All right. I didn't read that one yet. Oh, you did that 28 minutes ago. While I was talking to these guys. But look, Miniam. Well, while I was talking to you too. Bang, brother. Look. Well, I haven't looked at it, but fuck it. Bang, let's give it a like. What else is he talking about? Oh, you did this dance thing before. Bang, bang, check out this website. Look, how much BTC is buying USA. Holy cow, bang. What website? Check this website. Well, where's the website, brah? Hold on, maybe I have to look inside. What website? Anyways. But look, this is a funny dance that Will Smith does. So let's look at the funny dance. He's like, check the website. Whole website. You got to put the URL, brother. There we go. A little dance. All right. Let's move along. Look. Hurricane Master. Bang. Love you, brother. Ryan. Bang. See you, brother. Biniam, again, bang. DP Entertainment, love you, brother, bang. Yes. Sergio Pena, see you, brother, bang. Stallion, bang, bang. Oh, that's right. You guys were liking this thing that I sent you guys. So look, come get your free airdrops, boys. We got some airdrops today. Oh, hey, these ones were a little complicated. You had to sign up for this and download that. So remember, Bob told us about the burner phone. So get yourself a shitty little burner phone sometimes to do these airdrops. So I just used the burner phone for all that shit. I didn't download any of that crap on my real phone. But look, get the free airdrops. Bang. All right. Crypto on my mind. See you, brother. Bang. This guy was like, oh, this was the guy I was telling you about. Why is Litecoin, why is everyone so hyped about Litecoin? Blah, blah, blah. I was like, well, it went up 400%, buddy. Like, what do you mean? He's like, there's others that have been up more. All right. Good enough, whatever. Look, love you, brother. Bang. Infinite Tech, Invictus Tech. What are these guys about? Infinitus Tech is a software development company specialized in data protection security. Bang. All right, buddy. Good stuff. Biniam, what's another one here? Legal, %26 general partners with Amazon to use blockchain for pension deals. All right, I got to read that. I didn't read that yet either. All right. Anyone else? What do we got here? Who's this? Adam from school. Hip-hop artist from the DMV. Crypto and travel enthusiast, web developer, Fuman University alum. Bang. Yes. All right. What we got here is that. Oh, moon landing. Bang. See you, brother. Oh, what else do we got here? Coin revolution. Cryptocurrency blockchain news. Bang. See you, brother. Brency. Bang. See you, girl. All right. Bren, you're still around. Good. Yes, you know my favorite. Soon, brother. Soon, this is what your portfolio is going to look like. Look. Bang. Yes, when Fidelity brings in all that big money, that's what your portfolio is going to say. Boom. And look, we're going to cash out next year with a fat pile of bang. All right. Being silly. All right, that's enough. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Boom, let's chill it and kill it. Boom, let's do our market summary of the day. Bang, welcome everybody. It's Shamar Clark again. So, TRON launched Sun Network Testnet. Bang, sounds good. It's going to give that scalability. And what else was that? Scalability and a couple other things. Good stuff, TRON. Great stuff. Now, Nasdaq, new crypto pricing product for institutional investors. Exactly. You got to give them that quantitative analysis and all that. You got to let their quants get their hands on it and get algorithms made and all this weird and wacky stuff. So, bang, and that brings institutional grade analysis, not analysis, that's not the thing. Data, so that these guys can manipulate it the way they like and deploy their money the way they like. Bang! Yes. And finally, Fidelity funds the crypto firm called Fireblocks. Bang! So that's another good investment thing, institutional investor thing. Now they're going to feel safe moving their crypto around, moving it around, storing it around, wherever, on this thing called Fireblocks. So excellent news for us. So let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang! Subscribe below, press the bell, and you'll get automatic notifications when I do these videos. My name is Shamar Clark. I love doing these. It's the favorite time of my day. Love talking crypto, love talking money. So until tomorrow, bang, my name is Shamar Clark. Look, boom. I'm always on duty. Yes. All right. See you tomorrow. Over and out.